Right now, you are barely scratching the surface of what NotebookLM can actually do. The platform isn't exactly hiding its capabilities, but almost no one is showing you where to look to unlock these hidden power workflows. Well, today, we change that. 90%. Seriously, 90%. That's the shocking amount of NotebookLM's capability that's currently just sitting untouched on your screen. While most people are stuck generating basic surface-level summaries, there's this whole world of advanced workflows that remains completely hidden. We spent weeks digging these up, and honestly, these are exactly what separate the power users from the beginners.
Section 1. Bridging data to deliverables.
So we're looking at a fundamental shift in how this platform operates. NotebookLM has completely evolved from a simple study aid into a full-stack research, synthesis, and production environment. It finally bridges the gap between raw information and polished deliverables. You now have access to 10 new infographic styles. Imagine taking a totally dry, 100-page technical manual and turning it into a highly engaging bento grid or anime-style graphic in, under 5 minutes. But even better, cinematic video overviews. Powered by the Gemini 3 and Veo 3 models, you can completely automate your script writing and motion graphics production. Whether you're a founder doing competitive analysis or a student prepping for exams with the new progress-tracked flashcards, the efficiency gain here is just undeniable.
Now, if you've built presentations with AI before, get ready for a massive upgrade because the regeneration tax is officially dead. You can now ship a professional-grade presentation deck straight from your raw data. These prompt-based slide revisions mean you can fix a single metric on one specific chart without having to regenerate the entire deck from scratch. That is an absolutely massive time saver.
But the real magic lies in how you actually query your data. Enter the source gap prompt. While most tools only show you half the picture, this advanced AI query actively identifies critical missing industry data. When I ran this against my own project materials, wow, it instantly exposed major unevidenced assumptions and mapped exactly where my sources fell completely short.
Section 2. Pro Workflows and Agentic Assistance.
All right, here are the practical applications that actually take you from passive reading to active creation. This is probably the most powerful workflow available right now, turning your sources into a working web app in under 2 minutes using the Gemini Canvas integration. The process is incredibly simple. Step 1, you open Gemini. Step 2, select your notebook as the source. Step 3, just prompt it to develop an app from the attached notebook. Boom, you get an instant, fully functional interface straight from your research. It's wild. Now, for long-term projects, regular chat has a pretty fatal flaw. It resets its knowledge every single session. But Gemini Gems, they have permanent memory across sessions. By connecting your notebook to Gems, you're essentially creating a permanent AI assistant. It remembers your specific knowledge sources across all your sessions, which means you can train an expert persona just once and reuse it forever. Let's apply this to the real world for a second. Say you manage a sales team. You can basically stop hiring expensive coaches today. Just take your call transcripts as the input, run the missed opportunity prompt, and output instant, grounded coaching. The AI identifies exactly where a rep missed an opening and gives targeted feedback based entirely on actual, real-world interactions. Section 3. The brutal free tier catch. Look, I'm going to be brutally honest with you here. There's a major gap between the hype and what you actually get for free. On the free tier, you face highly restrictive caps. You're limited to 50 sources per notebook, only 50 chat queries per day, and a mere 3 audio overviews every 24 hours. If you're a serious researcher, you are going to hit these brick walls really fast. Contrast that with the Pro tier at $19.99 a month, which rockets you all the way up to 300 sources and 500 queries. But the hidden costs actually go much deeper. $99.99, that's the entry point for the Ultra tier, which scales all the way up to $200 a month. Yeah, that is the mandatory steep paywall if you want to unlock the full agentic features of the platform. You also need to be acutely aware of what we call the greater than 100-page truncation hallucination threshold. It's a mouthful, I know, but during testing, I discovered NotebookLM still heavily struggles with long document truncation. If you upload a PDF over 100 pages, the AI might literally just fabricate answers for content located near the end of the text, so watch out for that. Which leads perfectly to a fatal beginner mistake: chaotic uploading. Guys, you cannot just dump a hurricane of random files into the system and expect high-quality insights. Chaotic uploading leads directly to generic, confident garbage. You absolutely must consolidate and organize your sources before you ever hit that upload button.
Section 4, Confirmed Future AI Outlook. All right, let's clearly separate the actual updates arriving soon from mere community speculation. Here's the confirmed timeline for 2026. We're getting live PPTX export, expanded infographic styles, and crucially, native EPUB support. That last one is a huge workflow upgrade, meaning you can finally eliminate the frustrating need to convert all your ebooks to PDFs before uploading them. It's about time.
Now, on the speculation watch list, we're tracking some highly anticipated but currently unconfirmed features. Rumors of bulk YouTube imports and automatic Google Drive folder sync are swirling right now. While they aren't here yet, man, they would completely revolutionize the ingestion workflow if they actually drop.
So here is the ultimate contrarian truth about NotebookLM. Garbage in equals confident garbage out. The tool's power relies entirely on your source organization and your prompt specificity. It's basically a mirror. It is only as powerful as the quality of the data you feed it. Section 5. The final verdict. It's time to evaluate your setup based on everything we've uncovered today. I want to leave you with a provocative forcing question. Would you rather stay on the free tier and watch the system completely cut you off mid-project when it matters most, or pay $20 once a month and never lose your research flow again? It really is a stark choice between frustrating, sudden restrictions, and a seamless paid solution.
If this video gave you value, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the AI Explainer for more AI deep dives. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss future updates. Stay sharp, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next one.